Coach, the last victory for the regular season, it wasn't an easy game, even if it meant not much for the table.
No, I think it was, Casale played really well, they played with a lot of passion and they put us under pressure at times and forced a few errors on our behalf. So yeah, it's only a good preparation, good test for playoff footy though for us.
Again, the first half was a very close game, then the second half we managed to take the distance. What kind of signals did you take for the playoffs?
I think it's how we responded to a couple of critical moments in that game when the scores were close and just some tactical plays that we wanted to bring in for those situations. So I was happy that we were able to execute that today, like a drop goal and how we closed out the first half. So yeah, it's just preparing for those what-ifs and yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that respect.
So we haven't done anything yet. The best is yet to come, but this is the last game for the regular season. So could you tell me what is your general thought on how this season went so far?
Oh, I think, yeah, overall really pleased to finish first and to qualify the playoffs a couple of weeks ago. So it's been a really good season. I think you've seen the growth of the team. We've tried to play a game of, a game that's probably different to others and play with some width and some tempo in the game. Try to play really positively. So I'm really happy with how we've progressed and grown our decision making in that. So yeah, overall really pleased. I guess the true evaluation of the season will be after the playoffs and how we do.
Now there's 2 weeks before the first semi-final, so there's no time to celebrate. You have to go back to work immediately with the team. What is the most important thing? What is your priority for the moment?
Priority for this week is to really just get a gauge on the injured boys, see who's come out of today with any niggles, and then really just I guess assess where we are physically, mentally, and sort of just come up with a really good plan for the following week when we'll start really ramping up our preparation for our first playoff game at home.
Perfect. Thank you, Coach.